President, Madam President, Mr. Chairman, parating ganyan ang sagot nyo eh. From the start, PPP yan. Kasi from Sukat or Kalamba to the end of Taguig and the start of Pasig Taytay, kikita yan. Kaya PPP, under Sexingson. But at the last minute, nilagyan yan ng kolatilya sa kontrata na may contingency liability. Na wala naman yan sa Cavitex, wala naman sa ibang mga ano. So nag-atrasan yung mga nag-bid. Okay? Oh. So suddenly, nung kay Sec Bonoan, gobyerno na daw ang gagawa. So tinanong ko nun, kung ito willing ang gastusan ng private, bakit kayo gagawa? Tapos susunod kong tanong, yan ba ay toll o hindi? Ang sabi niya, baka i-flip ng DPWH. Oh. Okay, number 3, Sec Vince. Maglalagay sila ng exit sa Bikutan. Bikutan side, which is Taguig. Pinakita ko yung video na 45 minutes hindi na gumagalaw yung traffic. Lalagyan mo pa dyan. Oh, they promised us a traffic study. Nasaan yung traffic study? Hindi nyo tinuloy. Wala kayong traffic study. Tinuturo nyo si RD Malaluan na meron daw silang traffic study for the local na tinuro kayo pabalik.
Well, according po sa DPWH, meron raw traffic study.
When was it conducted, ma'am? Kailan nyo ginawa yung traffic study? Kailan ko ito pinake up? Last year? 2024 budget, ang sagot nyo, wala kayong traffic study. It's on the record. I can find the video here. So if you're saying meron, when did you do it? If it's before 2024, precisely nga, pinakita ko sa inyo, ano, yung, by the way, Sequin, yung 45 minutes na sinasabi ko is 200 meters, ha?
I think in more, sa amin din, in toll booth namin, ganun rin. I think in major cities, ganyan.
Kaya nga hindi pwede, but
Yeah,
yung sa toll
ganun
booth,
din sa
nagawa na kasi, di ba? Ito, plinaplano pa lang eh.
Correct. Well, meron raw silang traffic study for the entire project na 2021 raw ginawa.
Yeah, ma'am.
And they can submit it
Ano,
raw tomorrow.
Sec Vince, ito yung point ha. Gumawa sila ng exit sa Bikutan. You know that kasi it's going to my house and going to the City Hall and Camp Agundiwa. Doon nila ilalabas. 100 to 200 meters, 45 minutes, hindi gumagalaw yung traffic. 2024 to, 2023, Christmas. And then January, a little bit better, 35 minutes. Oh. So, kinonfront ko sila last year this time. Aanin namin ang 2021 traffic. 2021, ma'am, tapos na ba ang pandemic noon? Patapos pa lang. O, kaya walang traffic. So, pag ginawa natin yung kalye na yan, balik natin yung pandemic para walang traffic sa Taguig. Anyway, I'll continue, Sec Vince, kasi I won't argue, sayang yung oras. Okay. May I ask the DPWH planners, what did I request? How far away from Lakeshore dapat ang kalye? What did I request? Written request yun, ha? Baka kala nyo, kwentuhan lang to. Yes. I'll get there. Good remind, but I'll get there. How far? Oh, request ko 2 kilometers. Ano sagot ng LLDA?
2 kilometers from, ang request nyo is 2 kilometers from the shoreline.
Anong sagot ng LLDA?
Ayaw raw ng LLDA.
Sec Vince, pakitanong sila ulit. Ano sagot ng LLDA? Okay. So ma'am, ina-amend mo yung LLDA? Kasi hawak ko yung sulat ng LLDA, payag sila 1.2, wag daw 2 kilometers. Hawak ko yung sulat eh. Umangal pa ako, ba't hindi niyo ako sinama sa meeting sa LLDA eh? Anong meron yung project na yan na ayaw niyo maging transparent dyan? I have the letter. Nandiyan yung letter. Diba? Yeah. Oh, Sexadain, ikaw nakapirma sa letter, oh. Nakalagay doon, 1.2 sa technical working group nyo. Ba't nyo nasasabihin ngayon na hindi pwede? June 10, 2025 to. Oh yeah, but Vince, pareho, yung hindi pumayag at pumayag 1.2. Tapos anong ginagawa nyo ngayon? 500 meters. Kausap ko congressman ng ng Muntinlupa sa kasal ng anak ng congressman namin eh. Pareho kami na sinasabi, the further it is, the better for our cities. Because magkakaroon genuine ng water sa amin, better for property prices, better for the environment, hindi rin kami tatamaan.
Yeah. Ang explanation po sa akin, doon po sa may sukat areas 500, but from sukat to Taguig, it will be 1.2.
Binubuli kasi ng DPWH yung iba eh. Ako lang naman nagsasalita dito, yung mga congressman hindi eh. Kasi palalabasin nyo sa constituents nila na pag hindi masusunod, hindi matutuloy, traffic doon. Ito tayo magbulahan dito. Yung road lang nung C5 ngayon na kung ano-ano sinasabi eh. Ako din tumindig nung 1999, 2000, 2001 eh. Kung naayos yung dike na yun sa dapat na alignment kay Secretary Villar pa, wala kaming problema ngayon eh. Sec Vince, nakwento na ba nila sa iyo kung ano naging conclusion nila sa letter nila ngayon sa Taguig? Hindi na lang daw nila gagawin yung bikutan to kasi marami so yung gagawin na lang nila yung sukat na lang daw to yeah, without consulting us. May I ask the DPWH, Sec Sadain and ma'am, did we ever tell you we don't want the project or we told you pa ulit-ulit ayusin nyo lang? So kung ayaw nyo ng 1.2, payag ang LLDA, wag na lang. Kung traffic sa Bikutan, sabi ko lang, maghanap tayo ng ibang exit o kaya gumawa tayo ng overpass sa Bikutan, wag na lang. I'll go to my next question. If Secretary Vince was with DOTR now and not with DPWH, may I ask the dear Secretary, Sir, ano mas maganda dyan sa circumferential travel or transportation mode sa buong Laguna Lake? Mas maganda ba dyan ang highway na 6 kilometers, na 6 lanes or 8 lanes? O mas maganda ba dyan train ang ilagay natin?
Medyo sabi ni Vince, kailangan niya raw pag-aralan pa at
Okay.
upuan.
Bakit nyo binibid na yung project? Pangako kayo ng pangako tapos i-out nyo kami. 'Di ba? Senador ako, hindi ako congressman. So kahit Muntinlupa yan, may pakialam ako. Ang Laguna Lake, halos walang nagsasalita dyan. Ako nagsasalita dyan. First privilege speech ko yan. I see the Laguna Lake, I see the authority, where's the development?
May I
Yes,
ask
go
a
ahead, ma'am.
question? Yes. The infrastructure project that is being discussed, did it go through the environmental impact assessment? Does it have an ECC
That's a good
already?
question. That's my next
Yeah.
question Dumaan na ba yan
And-
may ECC ba yan?
And does it have the DepDev's TRIP, the 3-year rolling infrastructure program?
According to DPWH, meron pong ECC Meron silang ECC.
Okay, guys, were you present in the last budget hearing? Was Yusek Sadiin and Ma'am, were you present sa last budget hearing ng I think it was on my birthday kasi I was not here eh. Yung dito, it was October 27 or 28. Yung last budget hearing nung chair ni Chair Win. Nandito ba kayo nun? Budget briefing po dito. Dito sa Senate.
Wala raw silang dalawa.
Hindi, kasi pinasalita niyo si Yusek David kung ano sinasabi na ECC na illegal reclamation, flood control na naging reclamation, road dike ng DPWH yon. In-extend ng konti ng DPWH para may linear park, hinahanapan ng ECC. Samantalang yung project nyo, ilan lanes yan? 6 lanes, 8 lanes.
6
Oh,
lanes
hindi
po.
ba obvious? Kung maglalagay ka ng 2 meters linear park to 3 meters, hindi papasa sa ECC? Pero kapag ka 6 lanes, papasa sa ECC? You know, Sec Vince, reputations are important here. Eh. And I thank you because nga kinorek mo. Pero hanggang ngayon, nangungulit ang PRA at saka DNR eh. Nagbigay pala sila ng ECC for 6 lanes eh. So for 2-3 meters, questionin nila. Project ng DPWH ha? Project ng DPWH. Oh, but this is my point no, to close the issue on that. Sec Vince, can we go to NEDA and check kung anong pinakamabuti dyan? Kasi duda talaga ako sa project na yan eh. Bakit uutangin? Bakit hindi PPP? Tapos kung talagang transportation at saka eco-friendly, bakit hindi train? Or kung combination?
Sabi ko nga, pwedeng dalawa.
Hindi nga kasi may fast break si Secretary Bunoan dyan eh. Kaya nagulat ako na binid nyo pa rin. Alam nyo may problema kami dyan eh. Di ba? So anyway, may I request, Mr. Chairman, that you know, Korean yan, di ba? Korean, yung utang. O ayokong mapaya tayo sa lenders natin. Naging DFA secretary ako eh. Naintindihan ko pagka, di ba, Sec Vince, pag nasa Japan tayo, sabi na bawasan yung pondo, sabi yung right of way, hindi natin, nakakahiya eh. Ang problema, 3 taong ko to bring up sa inyo, hindi nyo sineseryoso yung aking concerns dyan. Kung nung first 3 months, baka ginagawa na yan eh. Oo lang kayo ng oo, tapos akala nyo hindi ko babantayan. Tapos anong mangyayari, sir? Pag nagawa nyo yung Kalamba hanggang Sukat, susunod na sa Sukat, barangay ko, Bagong Bayan, ipapublish nyo na kaya wala ang Tagig kasi pinatanggal ko? Kayo naman nagsabing wag na ituloy. Sinabi ng LLDA, okay eh. Okay kami sa 1 kilometer, Sec Vince. Ang gusto namin, hindi tamaan yung property values. Tapos secondly, that road will help as a secondary dike. Kasi yung isa naming subdivision ngayon, subdivision ng Taguig, hindi akin yon. Because of the rising waters doon, lalong binabaha yung Bay Breeze. Inaaraw-araw din kami doon. Lahat ng kausap ko dyan, nag-retire na kasi panahon pa to ni Secretary Villar. Nung ginawa nyo yung dike, 3 alignment. Isang napaka-inland, yung present na ginawa nyo, yung pangalawa sa tubig. Ang matitipid lang is less than 5 billion. You chose to do the one in the middle, but you promised us 600 million for polder dikes. Pakihanap sa archives nyo, meron kayong plano niyan for polder dikes. Because 1,400 hectares ay nasa labas ng dike. Yun yung pinapakita ni Secretary Yusek David na hindi niya alam, hindi reclamation yon. Nagla-landfill sa 1,400 hectares that was not what was excluded by the dike. Na inadmit ni Secretary Villar, mag-e-erode yun. Kasi naglagay ka ng dike mataas ang tubig. Di ba? So kung landowner ka, protektahan mo. Ano to, Sequin, titled yung iba dito. Di ba? So, yun lang request ko. Can we have an honest to goodness review of that project?
Senator Alan, ay naintindihan ko yung kalagayan nyo dahil kami rin sa Valenzuela, we're very conscious about the national projects, lalo na kung makaka-apekto sa constituents natin at cost ng traffic kasi most ng mga cities ma-traffic talaga eh. So, Secretary Vince committed to take a look at this personally.
Thank you.
Sabi niya
Thank
siya
you.
mismo.
Just related to that, but ito hindi problema. Well, problema, pero anong solusyon? So, in the 1970s, correct me if I'm wrong, pinanganak ko 1970 eh. So, nung ginawa yung Napindan Spillway, may pangako na gagawin yung Parañaque Spillway. Ang problema, ginawa yung South Superhighway, umunlad ang Parañaque, nagmahal ang property prices. So, nag-decide, over generations to, 50 years na mahigit hindi tinuloy yung Parañaque Spillway. Na-bring up to, during Pinoy's time, there was a proposal, pag nagkaroon ng road, isama sa road ang reclamation, tapos butasan going to the Pacific River, Pacific Ocean, para ang tubig, kasi kailangan pumasok ang tubig alat Of course, the reforestation din sa mga watershed, no? So that was the second solution. Hindi rin inapprove to ni Sec Babes. And to be fair to him, limited na yung time, kaya road muna ang ginawa nila. Walang reclamation. The reclamation kasi would pay for the additional cost. So panahon naman ni President Pinoy, kinancel yung kontrata with Belgians for the dredging kasi ang dredging daw ay corruption. May dredging na corrupt, may dredging. Di ba it's like sabihin mo evil ang baril Pag pulis ang gumamit ng baril for protection of the people, it's being used for good. If hold-upper or kung yung pulis ang mang-hold up, it's being used for bad. So dredging is a legitimate engineering intervention. And our president now is saying that. So my question is DPWH studying any of this? Are you studying either the dredging of Laguna Lake or the Parañaque Spillway or other alternatives? I ask this because flooding in the coastal areas of Laguna Lake, etc., kasi nung ginawa yan, Mr. Chairman, the LLDA law says anything below 12.5 meters is owned by LLDA. That's a longer story, but PD ni President Marcos. But of course, you cannot confiscate land. So kung merong claim doon at may title, no. But the point is, we built the dike at 15 point something, 15.6, 15.5, 15.3 meters. And nung unang natapos yung dike niya, nung nagkabagyo na malaki, pumunta ako doon, malayo pa, Senwin, mga 2 meters pa talaga. Actually, lower pa din 2 meters kasi 13 is higher. Ngayon, pumunta kayo, ang taas ng tubig. So, if we don't do anything about the lake, not only do we kill the potential, so I'm asking kasi, kung wala pa, shouldn't you put money? Si Sec Vince knows this better than I kasi nasa finance team siya noon. Can you put something in the pipeline, whether it's with the Japanese, Koreans, or a study kung anong options talaga na pwede pa? Kasi I don't wanna argue na pwedeng Parañaque Spillway, then Las Piñas and Parañaque says hindi pwede. I don't want to argue na butasan yung Budok, then ayaw ng Rizal or ayaw natin ng reclamation. But doing nothing is waiting for a disaster to happen.
Yeah, well, they'll take a look at that. In fact, the Secretary agrees that baka kailangan nga tingnan yung dredging doon kasi alam niya rin yung situation doon. So pag-aaralan nila.
How big again is Clark? Ilan hectares? 27? 35,000?
30,000 hectares.
30,000 hectares.
So as a perspective lang, Mr. Chair, at saka sa mga nanonood pa sa atin at this time, ang Fort Bonifacio is about 500 plus hectares. Ang BGC is 100 hectares, more or less. Ang Clark is 30,000 hectares. Okay? Ang paki-Google yung eksakto square kilometers ng Laguna Lake. Ang buong Singapore kasya sa
Laguna Lake.
Laguna Lake.
Yes.
So ganun kaganda at ganun kalaki ng potential niya, and it covers Metro Manila, Laguna, and Rizal. Kung hindi nag-pandemic, yun na ang susunod naming ilalabi kay President Duterte noon na after the cleanup of Boracay, the development of Clark is a development plan for the Laguna Lake. In fact, we put money when I was speaker for, by the way, Sec Vince, let me amend myself, not only trains, a system of trains and ferries. Kasi pwedeng tumulay Di ba? Ang problema nga pababaw ng pababaw yung actually hindi lang yung tubig, yung discussions pababaw ng pababaw din So anyway, LLDA is saying that the Napindan Channel also needs dredging. Is the Napindan Channel part of the Pasig rehabilitation or hindi? Is DPWH ba involved pa with the Pasig rehabilitation? Hindi.
Under DNR po, merong Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission.
Yeah, so I don't know why pinost ng LLDA yon, or maybe they're lobbying or meron. But yun nga, just because the lake is intimately related then with the Pasig River,
Yes.
may ask Sec Vince, maybe in the cabinet level.
Baka,
I mean, I appreciate, I think Ramon Ang is involved in the dredging and is doing, I think, a good job there with DPWH. But yun nga, in relation with the lake, and it will help Taytay, Pasig, and Taguig. But it will also help the other parts of the Laguna Lake. No?